Looks like there's a trail right around. Hold on. Look.
Want me to take that?
No, I was just looking to see if there's rocks here we could go down. I don't think any of it really looks that bad. Yeah, we can go. It looks like there's almost a trail right here. Nice! First fish. Rooster tail. Alright, hold him up. We'll get a... I'm just recording on my regular camera. Oh yeah, nice first fish start the day. White rooster tail. Heck yeah. Nice.
Oh, he came off.
Oh, I saw him jump right there. Smallmouth?
Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Get it.
Every time, there we go.
Let me see it. Ooh. I think it's a little spot.
What is he?
It looks like it's a little spotted bass.
Huh.
No, it's a smallie.
Ain't the biggest one,
but... There's one. Took a little, I don't think it's very big. Oh, he let go. He was right here in front of me. He was right here. Huh? No, spinnerbait. No, well, first cast up this direction, I'd made like 3 or 4 other ones. He wasn't real big. He looks dark. Oh yeah. Heck yeah. Right back up. Nice.
That's not a bad one.
Ned rig.
Oh my god.
Oh, that wasn't a bad bass though. Wasn't bad. There's one. That feels pretty decent too. Stay on there. Oh yeah. Nice. That's good to get on the board. That War Eagle spinnerbait. He smacked it. Sitting right over there in that shade line.
I got one. Oh, it's a giant.
It's a PB right there.
Yeah.
That one through, and that one. Monsters. Oh, whoa, that was huge. Whatever that was big. Oh my God. I have no idea what that was, but it stopped my spinnerbait.
Oh, you got him again?
There's something little over there. That was right on the bank. Whatever I had right here was big. Oh man. It ain't, whatever that was wasn't gonna fit in your net. I have no idea what that was. But when I set the hook, it went the opposite direction. Dang. And then I cast it right on top of a little one over there. I saw it, I pulled it up out of the water and then he let it go.
Is it a horse probably?
I don't know what that was, but it was solid. I've got my drag tightened down too.
Ooh, something just missed it.
Man, I don't know what that was.
What did it feel like?
I mean, it grabbed a hold of it and like turned, like it felt like a bass. Like,
oh, I got one.
nice. That's a rock bass. No, it's a small one.
He's going to try to do that. He's not half done.
Nah, heck. At least you're catching fish.
Doing camera?
Oh, it's on.
Oh.
Yeah. Man, I don't know what that was. But jeez. And he definitely got the hooks. It's like I set the hook. I'd love for it to hit your pole. You'd be in for a fight.
Medium heavy?
No, this is just a medium, but it's 7 foot.
Mine's 6'6".
I don't know why that. You sure? That's a 6'6". That thing's tiny.
Oh, it's a big.
All right, easy, easy, easy. That might be what I hooked. You're good. Just let it. Just keep tension on it. Keep tension on it.
Oh, it's a. What is that?
That's a saw guy. Yeah, it's a sauger.
You got pliers?
Yeah. Put my rod down here.
That's my first saw, man.
Yeah. Should be able to come right up the belly. Careful, those plates are sharp.
Yeah, I'm just gonna...
Here, grab it. Can you grab them?
Yeah.
Come right up through here. And then your finger should go right up through its gills. I'll get a picture of it. That's your first one. Nice.
One more?
Oh yeah, he's good.
That's my first saw, man.
Heck yeah, dude.
He slammed that rooster.
There's one. I don't feel bad. Oh, dude. Yeah. Yeah. Real big. Jaren. That's a nice fish. Yeah, he was hooked right in the side.
Ooh, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's what we're after right there. Right there is what we're after. Beautiful golden smallmouth. Jaren's been tearing them up on the rooster tail. We got down here, the water got a little bit more shallow, so I put on the whopper plopper. Second cast, he come out and hammered it. Yeah, he freaking hammered right back in that cove. No, I threw a topwater. I threw a whopper flopper on. It's like my second cast. He come up and smacked it. Oh, that was a horrible cast. Oh! I don't think that's a bad fish either.
I watched them eat it.
Another smallie. I feel so naked without my net.
Are you serious?
So I feel naked without my net. The last 2 trips I forgot it.
Oh, I don't got one. I had one there.
Alright. Oh. Pretty little smallie.
Oh, dude.
He's about
Getting bit.
About 10 inches, maybe. Take him though. Topwater. Go whopper flopper. Oh, oh, he came back for it. That's a little bit bigger. Not bad at all. Oh yeah. It might be the same size. Come out of that same hole. Get it back in. Thank you, Mr. Smallmouth. Take it. Back-to-back fish on the old whopper flopper. Coming right out of the same hole. Oh, man, easy, easy. You got treble hooks. Just keep tension on it. Yeah, I know. Go ahead. Just keep tension on it. You're good. We're gonna bring him right up onto the bank. Just back up. Keep tension. You're good. You're good. Keep him down. Then, yeah, just keep tension on him. Just keep bringing him right up to the bank. Easy, easy. That's a nice fish.
That's my TV.
Yeah, that's a good fish.
Oh, yeah.
Nice fish,
That's
dude.
definitely my TV.
Nice fish. Now, this has trebles, so let me, we'll get a hold of him first. Because we got a long walk back to the truck. And I'll take these out and you can have him. Dude, that's a nice fish. Congratulations, sir.
Thank you. That's my TV.
Oh, yeah. Get a hold of him real good. Alright. Heck yeah, dude. Congratulations, first topwater fish. Was that on the golden shiner? No, that's bluegill? That's a river to see a bluegill. Oh, oh! Did you get him? A little smallie. Figured there'd be another one back in there.
Future play. Don't want to get hooked by the front one.
Yeah. He got all three of them. See if I can get this top one out first. Get your thumb in that and hold him up, because is that a spot? No, wait. I think that's a little spot. Yeah, I think that might be a little spotted bass. I don't think it's a hybrid. He definitely had the spot belly. Oh, how did he hit that? My lure's all messed up.
Oh, yeah.
Evidently he got it untangled because he's got both the front and the back. Huh. I was just getting ready to like jerk it because it was wrapped, and he nailed it. I mean, it's not big, but he hit like a ton of bricks. They've come alive on Topwater. I'm glad we made the switch.
I thought he was decent because the way he hit it.
Yeah, he come up and made a big old splash. All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's video. Got out with Jerry, and he kind of kicked my butt throwing that rooster tail around. I think he ended with 12.
Yeah.
But we had 2 firsts and a PB. He caught his first ever fish on Topwater and his first ever sauger. And the fish that was on Topwater, the smallmouth, that is his new PB. I didn't have my board. I'd say it was probably 14, 15 inches. But all in all, great day. Weather's great. It's nice to get out and hit a new section of creek. Glad he was able to join me. Sure he'll be in some future ones. We just love getting out and fishing. So it's gonna wrap it up. We hope you guys enjoyed. We'll catch you on the next one.